inside Kawasaki's high-precision production facility. The manufacturing of the Ninja H2R begins with advanced engineering that focuses on extreme performance and aerodynamics, where every component is crafted with accuracy designed to handle ultra-high-speed pressure. The process starts with the creation of the trellis frame formed through robotic tube bending that ensures perfect alignment and strength, while skilled technicians use precision welding to produce a lightweight yet rigid structure capable of handling massive engine power. The 998cc supercharged engine is assembled inside a controlled environment where aerospace-grade impeller blades are machined using 5-axis CNC systems, allowing the supercharger to deliver intense boost with flawless rotational balance. Each piston, crankshaft, and connecting rod passes through microscopic inspection to guarantee durability under high thermal and mechanical stress. The ECU is programmed to manage boost, ignition timing, and fuel mapping, delivering controlled explosive acceleration. Carbon fiber winglets and body panels are manufactured using multi-layer resin infusion techniques and cured in autoclaves to achieve lightweight strength necessary for stability at extreme speeds. Suspension components are tuned to handle aggressive cornering, while Brembo braking systems are mounted with precision to maintain stopping power at high velocity. After assembly, the motorcycle enters a rigorous testing zone where engine dyno tests, vibration analysis, and wind resistance evaluations confirm that every unit meets Kawasaki's elite performance standards. The final inspection ensures flawless finish, aerodynamic balance, and mechanical perfection before the Ninja H2R is approved as a hypersport machine engineered for ultimate speed and professional-grade performance.